I created this channel to document the things that I do, the experimental things, the things that I have learned, some nuggets of knowledge, wisdom. Hi. So right now I'm just back from the school and I thought I'm in college or I can say the university. I thought that first of all I need to document myself, otherwise if I'll go and start doing something else, then I hope that I think I will miss recording, or like till then it will be so dark, so I think I won't be able to document something. So let's get started with today's documentation. So I went today to university. You know what, yesterday I was talking about that what is my agenda of this channel, like is this channel for spoken English or something else. So I was telling it, but in between my phone storage was actually filled, so the video just automatically stopped it, so because of the storage full. So that's why I was not able to convey the entire idea. But today I want to first to be clear with that, and then I want to tell about the day. You know what, when you go outside of the house, you see so many things, you observe so many things, you meet so many people in the vehicles, in the, like, you observe so many things in the way, on the way, and so many things. So this is what happened with me. I have so many things to tell you about, but I will try to tell the main things. So first of all, about my channel, or what I am actually doing here. So basically I want to improve my English communication, but the channel is not entirely for that, but I will definitely, because I'm learning it, then this is my duty to share it, you know, to document it. So that's why I document myself daily while speaking in English, so that I can improve my communication along with spoken English as well. So like in communication in English we can say, and Hindi as well, because I do speak or I do deliver some things in Hindi as well. So this was the thing. Apart from that, I think that this DJ sound is distracting me a lot, but I think Shadi ka season is coming up, so I think I will have to wear this, and you will also. Okay, so what was the thing? Yes, the channel's agenda, right? So yeah, like I opened this channel, like I created this channel to document the things that I do, the experimental things, the things that I have learned, some nuggets of knowledge, wisdom, and some experience, to improve myself, like to observe the thing that what I'm doing wrong, because until you're not doing something practically or on your first hand, you don't have first hand experience, so how will you get? So I am here on this channel because I want to do things and then try out that what works for me, what not. And also there is one more thing, and it is that to document my life, to document my journey as well. And another thing is that I'm not so sorted. I don't have any kind of, I can say, a particular goal. Just like people do have that, they have to be engineer, software engineer, they have to get a internship, like a job in some popular popular companies like Google and Microsoft and all that. So I don't have anything like that. I mean, I don't have a clear goal. Somebody have that, they have to be video editor, some have to be graphic designer, some have to be something else. So I am not that certain yet, although I'm learning some of the skills, like every skill thoda sa a little, but I don't know which is the thing I'm going to be proficient in, which is the thing I'm proficient already. In short, I'm not sorted with my life, with my vision, what I will be. So that's why I have this channel to document myself, to do things, to force myself a little harder to do the things, because anything will happen only if, or anything can happen only if I will do my karma and do karma in right direction, force myself. So this is actually kind of motivation, I can say, or something that I want to document it. I hope you're getting me, and I'm not that clear with my words, but I hope you're getting me. And another thing that I want to tell is, yeah, so when I'm speaking in English, then obviously I am tracking myself. Like when I'm documenting myself, then I think I'm tracking it, that what all are the things that I have learned, what I'm learning, what I'm working on, everything, and just to share all that with you all as well, so that it can help you as well. Something like that. I will definitely script a video, like script something, and then properly tell to all of you. Okay, and but अगर मैं normally कहूँ एक दो लाइन में, तो I just want कि मैं खुद को improve करूँ and कुछ चीज़ें नई ट्राई करूँ, क्योंकि मुझे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करना पसंद है, नई चीज़ें ट्राई करना, नई चीज़ें सीखना पसंद है। मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट है, ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही चीज़ में इंटरेस्ट है, तो इसलिए। और मुझे वीडियोज़ बनाना, वीडियोज़ रिकॉर्ड करना, खुद को डॉक्यूमेंट करना एंड सीइंग माई सेल्फ स्पीकिंग बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है। दैट इज़ अनदर रीज़न। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, काफ़ी सारी मिक्स चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे। सो आज के दिन के बारे में अगर मैं बताऊँ, सो इट वॉज ममाज फास्ट, सो आई माई सेल्फ हैड टू प्रिपेयर द लंच एंड द ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी एंड माई ब्रदर। सो आई सम हाउ मैनेज दैट जल्दी इज आई वॉज गेटिंग लेट एंड आई एक्चुअली गॉट लेट। तो मैं लेट पहुँची क्लास में, एंड देन आधा क्लास तो बीत चुकी थी। उसके बाद मैं इंटरव्यूअर, फिर मैंने जो भी चीज़ें थी, मैंने पढ़ा लिखा वो सारी चीज़ें, 3-4 क्लास थी हमारी, वन रो इन अ रो, सो वो सारी हमने अटेंड की। एंड उसके बाद फिर आई जस्ट स्ट्रेटली वेंट टू द library and I just completed some of my notes which were to complete, although some of them are still pending. I have to complete them, and then I just came outside, and then I had my lunch fatafat se, and then I just simply came back home. And in the auto I was, yes, there's one more thing that I have done today. There are so many things which I feel that I have done productively. So first thing was that I completed my notes, which was for on pending since a long time, so for a long time I can say. So that is another thing. And I edited and documented uploaded a video in the bus, so I utilized my that time as well. मैंने सोचा था कि मैं ऑटो के अंदर भी एक वीडियो को तो एडिट कर ही लूँगी, बट वहाँ पर मुझे एक आंटी मिल गई और एक्चुअली में गलती मेरी ही है. वीडियो ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो गई क्या? हो गई है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग हो गई है. I think I should keep it this short. And the things that I am a beginner, so I don't keep the things that scripted and all. You know, our student life is already so hectic, so if I keep scripting and all that, so it will take more time. So that's why I speak things impromptu and speak whatever is coming to in my mind, just without any filtration. So that's why sometimes I don't be that clear with my own thoughts, because I don't know that what I'm going to talk next, you know. So this is what is happening, but I'm daily trying to, and I will daily try to improve myself a little, so that कि मैं बेहतर होती जाऊँ खुद से. ऐसा ये भी मेरा एजेंडा है. सो मैं कह रही हूँ ना, मैं ऐसे क्लियर हो नहीं पाऊँगी, इसलिए आई विल राइट वन डे समथिंग एंड देन मैं आपके सामने पूरा सब कुछ बताऊँगी कि क्या कैसे है. ओके, सो टिल नाउ आई थिंक वीडियो इज़ ऑलरेडी लॉन्ग. बाय, टेक केयर. आई नो आई एम नॉट दैट सर्टेन, बट मेरे पास एक टाइम लिमिट है, बिकॉज अगर वीडियो से ज़्यादा लंबी हो गई तो आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू अपलोड इट ना. सो दैट्स द थिंग, एंड स्टोरेज प्रॉब्लम एज वेल. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग मी. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय. एंड हाँ, ऑटो के अंदर एक आंटी मिल गई थी, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात थी. मैं रास्ते पर यही सोचती हुई थी मैं यही बताऊंगी आज वीडियो में, बट नहीं हो पाया वो. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर. एंड द वोकैब्स ऑफ द डे आर हियर.